So we got this situation to handle. So we have to integrate from -2 to 2. You know that you are getting sense of limit from minus a to a f of x dx. Now you know that you can write down this thing as 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. We will apply the same property over here. So our function will look like 0 to 2, now f of x. So it is sine square x upon x by pi plus 1 by 2. है ना? Now we will be replacing x with minus x and let's see what happens. So if you will observe sine of minus x, it will become minus sine x. But you have square at the end. So this thing will become what? Plus sine square x. Same thing. So this time it won't affect. It will become sine square x only. We don't know how box function will respond, but for time being I'll be replacing x with minus x. Now we have this situation dx. Now we have to understand this box of minus of number. Suppose we have box x plus. Suppose we have plus box x minus. Then what will happen? If x is an integer, then what will happen? Suppose it is 5, x is 5. So box 5 will become 5 and this box of minus 5 will become minus 5. So at integer it will become 0. Okay. So at integer we need not to worry. This thing will become 0. So in the given room you have only integer 1. Correct? And it's a point. You know that you are trying to calculate area from 0 to 2. So at exactly 1 point area would be negligible. So everywhere except 1 we will try to find out. Means x is not integer. We have to find. So if x is not integer, suppose it is 5.1. So what is box of 5.1? It is 5. Means what you have to do, I will be assigning you a number. Then you will imagine yourself on the number line and then you have to move towards left hand direction in the search of integer. The moment you will find the first integer will be the answer. So it is minus of 5.1. So minus of 5 is this. Suppose you are here. So if you move towards left hand direction, your first integer would be minus of 6. So the answer would be minus 1. So for all numbers ignoring integer, you will be having minus 1 as the result. Okay? I hope this part is okay for you. Now look at this. Now what we have to do, try to understand. So can I write this question as 0 to 2 sine square x upon box of x by pi plus 1 by 2 sine square x. Can I treat the whole thing as minus of x and I wish I could write minus 1 minus of box x by pi plus of 1 by 2. So this minus of 1 by 1 and plus of 1 by 2 will become minus of 1 by 2. है ना? So both will carry negative sign. So can I take minus common? So what will happen? Just observe. 0 to 2 sine square x upon box x by pi plus 1 by 2. I'll take minus common from the denominator. We will be left with x sine square x, and then x by pi plus 1 by 2 dx. Both are same. This thing gone. We are left with 0. So integration of 0 is 0. Therefore, the required result is 0. I hope you got the idea, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations.